Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories of DORO A100. Here's the DORO A100 box, and let's open it to see if there's what's inside. The first thing we see is the phone. Then, under it, there's a tray, and here you can find a USB cable, that's USB-A, which you can plug into the charging brick, and USB-C, which you can plug into your phone. The charging brick, I'm gonna show you that. This is the charging brick with USB-A and quick start guide. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.